YouTube family, blessing to each and every one of you. Another time and another day for Mother Earth as the journey continues. But personally, I have to give thanks. I have to give thanks because the journey still continues. So, blessing to each and every one of you. JR, there again with another food for thought. And two things me see happen in a Jamaica, big on social media, where I would like to touch upon in particular in a Femi parish, Clarendon, up a Spalding Zaya, where those two person, according to the media, exotic dancer and man performing intercourse or sexual act, or however you wanna put it in the public eye. And the public that beg me to ask a gwan in a Jamaica if people I lose them head or them a take something will make them behave erratic or out of context. Because you are perform intercourse in a public place where kids are travel, where kids are travel. If it was an environment where there is peer adult in the environment, I could understand. But in an environment where kids are travel, that's not a good look. That's not a good look, and that's true. Where our morals reach our desperation. Is either our morals gone or our desperation for earn money at any cost come above everything? Because according to what I hear them say, a pay, them get paid for perform higher. So if I so be the case, that mean our desperation for money comes above everything. Dash out morals out of the door and just depend, I think, about the money, so everything else take a back seat. And if I this, so the country reach, and not just the country, the world, we can even call it a catastrophe. Remember the pronounce the word good, a catastrophe. Many of them pronounce the word good, my people, but if I this, so it reach, it not pretty. It not pretty. It not look good. It not look good. It not look good. And those of us who still have our morals and stand for certain things and don't care how desperate we are, because our morals wouldn't drive we in a certain situation. Go on, hold on, Panny. Go on, hold on, Panny, because it's not a pretty look if we all lose our morals, if desperation drive us to that. Yeah. If desperation drive us to that. Everybody have to do what them have to do for earn money and to survive. But personally, there are some line where we need to draw and down cross. Don't care the situation or the circumstance. We don't let things drive us to that level where we cross that line. It's a blessing to each and every one. And the next thing I want to touch on is this is that video where I circulate This is that video where I circulate with the police and the female officer in a Spanish town and the civilian we drape up each other. And I'm saying this to say that as police, soldier, security, any one of them organization there where you need backup or support from your team member, they have teach you to back up each other and cover each other and them something there. So in a situation where you and your colleagues working together, I'm just putting the question out there, and there's a situation where your colleagues angle badly and make it escalate and get out of control, you do not approve of the way how them deal with the situation in order to make it escalate. What do you do as a colleagues? What do you do? Do you stand aside and watch it play out, or you still have to intervene and back up your colleagues and defend your colleagues, although you know say are your colleagues move or what your colleagues do? Isolate the situation, not isolate, escalate the situation and make it get out of control? What do you do? Because in this situation, I can see the male officer reluctant to get involved based on my observation, or it's because a female, he don't want to get involved. I don't know I wish one of them, but the reluctant was there from his part, because I've trained in an organization and work in an organization in a security world before. And one of the things that they teach you is safety number. Yeah. So if there's a situation getting out of control, you try and keep the situation calm and keep it under track until you get back up to deal with the situation. And as far as I'm seeing on this video, the officer was calling for backup, and until the part of the video where I see there is no backup. And the next thing, I would love to know where in the training of a police officer in the code of conduct does it give you right as an officer for pull somebody here like that? Because as a person who have lax before, and mainly he grow them here when it's not lax, it's mainly plat. From a teenager coming onwards, I know when you hear being pulled, it can be very hurtful. So although the female is disobeying your command, Although the female is disobeying your command, does that give you the right to pull them by the hair or hold on in the hair? I know the law give you reasonable force to use to arrest or subdue the person to get the situation under control. But does it allow you to pull the ear like how me say the ear a pull? Or to physically try to get in a physical altercation with the person, or like me say, wait for backup where you don't have to get in a physical confrontation with the person, like what I see play out on the video here. But them have to know if you angry it is only a pity nah shed a good light pan the JCF, how them deal with the situation here. How the situation angle here. Everybody you go draw them own conclusion, whether you're on the side of the cops or the side of the civilian. But I'm on no side here, but you have to have code of conduct here. You have to have code of conduct in any organization you're there here, in order for it not to look away or bring disrepute to the organization. Some people, JR here with another food for thought here. So blessing to each and every one here. Blessing to each and every one as the journey continues here. Yeah, JR here with another real talk, food for thought here. And people like me say, wanna build this thing here so it can reach a wider audience. So if you like what go and tap into the system, support, like, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell, that's when something drop, one can be notified of it here. Shout out to Boom family and friend here for give the higher shout out here. Blessing all the time here. Blessing all the time, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I wish as a long time subscriber, many other YouTubers being subscribed and watching them for over the years, although for majority of it as a silent watcher. Yeah. I just wish that they could take the time out as well and shout out and try to help build each other, promote each other. Yeah. Alright, blessing my people. Until next time, peace out. One love all the time.